Hi guys, welcome back to my video tutorial. Now I'm going to be taking you on how to use style, change the font size, font family, and color of a text using CSS. In this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of list.html example because it contains some paragraph tags. So let me open the list.html page so that we can see how it looks currently. I'm going to remove okay, let me just add to it. Let me add a new paragraph tag. This paragraph is going to be styled using CSS. So in the introductory part of this tutorial, I already explained to you how to make use of CSS in an HTML page. So I'm going to be using the style tag in the head part of this HTML page. So I'm just going to declare my style tag, style.css. Then I'm going to be referencing the paragraph tag. Okay, so I'm going to be changing the font size of this paragraph. I'm going to call the font size attributes, font size attributes. Then I'm going to be giving it any size. You can label the size of text in CSS by using pixel, or percentage, or em. So I'm just going to give it 16 pixels. So let's see how it's going to appear. This is 16 pixels. I'm going to increase it and change it to 20 pixels. You guys notice that it's going to change the size of all the paragraph text in the HTML page. Can you see? It changed the size of this one, the size of this one, and the size of this one because they are all inside the paragraph tag. So if I should, I can also give another units I can use is em. That's how big it is. Em is bigger than pixels, so I'm going to give it 0.2 to increase it, give it 1.2. Can you see? So that is basically how to use a font size attribute in CSS. Now I'm going to be changing the color of the paragraph text. I'm going to call it the color attributes and give it a color of let me give the color of white. Yeah, can you see? In CSS, you don't actually have to call the white. There are some colors that they don't have a predefined names that you have to use the hexadecimal color tag. Let me just show you color codes in CSS. So can you see the color codes that we have? So you can go ahead and apply any of these color codes. For yellow, there are different type of color code for yellow depending on what we want to know. So you can just make use of this one, put it here, save, make sure your list preview is the hash symbol, then save, then go to your let's go back to the web page. Where's the list attributes? The list of HTML page. Okay, can you see the yellow? So I'm giving it a yellow color. So the last attribute I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial is the font family attribute. If you remember in word processing, if you are writing a text in word processing, you can decide to change the default font that comes with Microsoft Word. You can decide to change the font of the text to Calibri, vertical, or anything. So I want to give this the paragraph tags in this web page area. So let's go ahead and declare area. Right, and save. Can you see the font size? The font file of the text has changed. Back to the color code. One trick that I use to get the color code that I want to give you and it's a HTML page is by right clicking. Let me close it. Right clicking on the text, click on inspect elements. That is if you are using Google Chrome. Then make sure the text that you want to style the highlight attribute, this thing is being highlighted like this. Then you go navigate to the right and look at the color attributes, click on the color box, then you navigate around for you to know the color you want to give the text. So you can also do this. So if you want to switch to green, then copy the color code, then come back to your CSS file, then add it to it. Secondly, I press Ctrl C instead of Ctrl V. My bad. Then Ctrl V, then save. Let's see. Can you see? It's now permanent there. Not showing. So that's basically how to use to format text using font size, color, and font family in CSS. So in next tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to use selectors. That's divs, using divs, using classes and IDs in CSS. So bye.